I'm Terry with Towers Murray Plumbing, here to show you how to repair a leak at the toilet base. When fixing a leak at the toilet base, first thing you'll need to do is remove the cap. Use a small screwdriver. Next, you'll need a wrench so that you can remove the lock nuts. At this time, you'll want to make sure that the water is turned off. And you can take your wrench or pliers and undo the water supply. Once you've got the water supply disconnected, you want to use a sponge or some kind of a device to remove the water from the tank and the bowl. You're now ready to pull your toilet. And typically you're going to have a wax seal. Now mine has a rubber seal because we're here in my showroom and sometimes we have to replace them. Now you're ready to replace that seal. A couple of different seals. You have a urethane or rubber seal. A couple of different kinds of wax seals. On your wax seals, you'll just pull the plastic off. Make sure the ones with the horn or the cone fit upside down on your flange. Now you're ready to reinstall your toilet. And again, I'm Terry with Towers Murray Plumbing, and we've showed you how to repair or fix a leak at the base of a toilet.